welcome back to redesign my mom's wedding dress for my sister. It actually looks like a dress now, and we're getting really close. So it's actually only 3 weeks until the wedding, and next up is working on the back of the dress. So I have these like corset loop things that are already pre-made that I'm going to install on the back here so that we can get a nice closure. So let's do it. Installing this kind of reminded me of putting in a zipper where you had to kind of flip it the right direction to make sure the closure would end up on the right side. So then I pinned it in place. I had to do that for both sides of the opening on the back. I took it to the sewing machine to sew just the initial edge down, but then I had to do some hand stitching so that I wasn't sewing through the top layer of lace on the back of the dress. So I was just catching that like inner layer of fabric and the loop fabric. So that took a while. Hand sewing is, again, not my favorite thing, but got it done. And then all that was left was just to add the string in. So I got that all laced up, and it was really looking pretty good. Okay, corset back has been installed. I am not convinced that I want this to actually go all the way down to here. I think it might make more sense to have the bow stop at the bottom of the bodice, but we'll see. I could also probably put the bow on the inside of the dress. That might look a little better. Definitely will cut the strings shorter. I kind of like that, to be honest. And then just tie it underneath. There we go. All right, it's looking great. Next steps are going to be, obviously, I need to do some finishing things. Fix this, fix the beads. I need to get the this lace that's going to go around the arms fixed. Anyways, dress is coming together. All right, stay tuned for the next steps. Bye.